So hello everybody, how are you today? Into this video we're going to export a custom visual that I created in minutes using a tool called charticulator, link down below. And we're going to export it as a Power BI custom visual. We're going to import it into Power BI and I'm going to show you what works and what doesn't. Make sure you stick to the end and check what doesn't, because it is important, okay? Now, are you ready? The tool or the visualization that you see behind me, I created it using a tool called Charticulator. I have a new YouTube channel called Curbal Data Labs where we talk about data and data visualization. Make sure you check it out, link down below, and I show you how to create this visualization in minutes. It's actually quite an impressive tool. So one of the things that you can do here, I'm going to show you. If you go to Charticulator, you can actually export this visual as a Power BI custom visual. So you can have Power BI custom visuals created in minutes, okay? If you are not allowed to use the Power BI custom visualizations, this is perfect for you. So if you want to export, you're going to get this Power BI chart, by the way. The link is in the description below, so don't worry about that. So export, if you want to get this visual into Power BI, you go to export, Power BI custom visual. These are the fields, and click this for now. And here you give it a name, radial chart. Here you can put your name, you can put your email in case somebody in your organization wants to contact you about that specific visual. And then just click Power BI custom visual and it will download. It's as easy as that, right? So now, if we go into Power BI, we have it here. I have just data. It is the weather in Sheffield, UK. So you have the month, the year, and the average temperature. And I've already imported the visual, but to import the visual, you already know how it works. So you go to here, import file, and then you grab the file that you just unloaded, right? So we're going to click outside, we're going to click on that visual, and you'll see here what it's going to ask you for. So the first thing you need to do, granularity, average temperature. So this is the lowest level in your data. In this case, it's temperature for us. Then you put year in year, you put month in month, and then you put average temperature. And here we have it. This is our visual. Now, let's get into the details. If you want to change the title is actually, you have to click on it first, obviously. And the title is here. So you go there, Sheffield weather. How about I spell it right? So Sheffield weather, you can remove that title in there. Get rid of it. You can change the background, you know, the basics of the custom visual, but you cannot do a lot more than that. One of the things that do work though is cross-filtering. Check this out. So it works very well. And then you can also cross-filter there. So that functionality does exist. One of the things that you cannot do is custom formatting, or conditional formatting, which I think is a pity because I would like to conditional format these. So for example, the max of each month gets highlighted, but you can't conditional format anything. So there are limitations as to what you can do using these visuals. Still, if you need a custom visual for whatever reason, this is a great way. Go to Curbal Data Labs. I'm going to do a lot more charticulator charts. So just, I mean, if you want to have a specific one, or just watch me build some awesome visualizations. So with that said, what does not work? And I was really surprised by this. And probably it's because I don't know Charticulator very well yet, but I'm going to show you. So the first time I imported the tool, you can see here, it's the same thing, the same data, Sheffield weather, but you can see here, there is data for 2017, 18, 19, and 20. And as you can see here, there is data missing basically. So I was really stunned by it. It's like, what is going on? And if I filter by month, they're going to see this. If we look at June, you see that June has 14 degrees, 15, 16, 40, and then July has 16, 40. So the July and the June is here. So it disappears. So every time that the number is the same, it doesn't show, even though it should be on the June bucket. And probably it has to do with the way that the data was imported. But I haven't figured out what the issue is. So if you're going to use this visual, be careful with that. I still need to figure out exactly if I did something wrong or it's just a limitation of Charticulator. But it sounds weird that this behavior should be there. Okay, so now you see how you can easily use a Charticulator chart. If you want to know more about Charticulator, follow me on Curbal Data Labs. There's a link down below. We will do a ton more of charts, and we will also talk about how to read specific charts and all kinds of good data visualization stuff. This is all for now. I'll see you again on Friday with another DAX Fridays as usual. So until then, take care and bye-bye.